I honestly cannot believe I'm saying this, but we hit 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. Oh my gosh, y'all. We hit 10,000 subscribers. When I first started this channel, I had no idea that anybody was actually going to watch my videos. Today, there are 10,000 plus of you guys that are watching my video. And I honestly just want to say thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. I am so grateful for all of your support, all of the likes, all of the comments, all of the shares, just supporting me in any way that you can. Many of you guys already know this. I started gardening at a really difficult time in my life. I had just lost my job. I was dealing with seasonal depression, and it was just a lot. And honestly, going outside, putting my hands in the dirt, and just being in nature, watching my food grow, became a form of healing for me. What started as a personal journey for me has now become this amazing community. When I first started this journey, I used whatever camera I had. I made a ton of mistakes, and I'm pretty sure you guys could see a lot of them in my earlier videos. Because this was a personal journey for me, I had no intention of actually filming my gardening. I was using my gardening as a method of healing. That is where I came to get a sense of peace and tranquility. I had no idea that I was actually going to start to film my gardening. Because of all of the peace that it brought me and all of the healing that I was getting from actually being in my gardening, I was like, you know what, maybe I should record this. And there are some people who might enjoy it. I had no intention of teaching how to garden. I just wanted to share my journey of why I was gardening and just being in nature for you guys to see my plants and see how pretty it was. And honestly, the videos that I posted when I first started, they had no structure or anything like that because I did not have the intention of teaching. I just wanted to share my gardening and just being in nature, and hopefully to encourage you guys to want to grow your food. But I had no intention of actually teaching. I had no clue what I was doing in the beginning. All I knew was I wanted to share videos of my gardening, and then I started to see some traction. And you guys started asking a ton of questions about what I was doing. And I was like, people are really enjoying this video. I just thought you guys was enjoying seeing my pretty garden. I noticed that a ton of you guys really enjoyed my journey. You enjoyed why I was doing it for, and you too wanted to do it yourself. So I was like, you know what? Maybe I should do more structured videos of my gardening to be able to help people in a better way. In the beginning of my gardening journey, I made Anyway, before we was interrupting, I was trying to tell you guys that I made a ton of mistakes in the gardening when I started, okay? I already told you guys my entire story of when I started, the amount of plants I grew, and how a lot of them was a failure, but I did have some success, and that success was in abundance, okay? And one other thing is, even though I made a ton of mistakes in the beginning of my gardening journey, I did start to question, like, do I still want to do this? Not do I want to garden, but do I want to continue to film my gardening, because it started to take away my purpose of actually gardening, which was for my peace and tranquility. It was something that was a part of my healing journey, and it was assistant in my healing journey. I felt like I started to lose why I was gardening, and so that made me be inconsistent in the beginning of, filming it for you guys, but I was still out there in the garden. I wanted to remain in the purpose of why I was gardening so that I don't lose sight of that. My garden literally started with an 8x8 plot that I created in my backyard, which I quickly realized was a huge mistake with how I started it. But you learn and grow as you garden. Yes, I made a ton of mistakes starting with the plot that I created for my gardening, as well as the things that I was trying to grow too many things at once, especially being a beginner and fully not knowing everything and all of the research that had to go into each plant that needed. I made a ton of mistakes in the beginning of my gardening journey, but with all of that mistake that you guys did see, every comment, every question, and every person that said I started my gardening journey because of you really kept me motivated to want to continue to film my gardening journey while still staying grounded in my gardening and the purpose of why I started my gardening in the first place. Now, y'all know this milestone belongs to all of us, because when I tell you guys, it is because of you guys that I am so motivated to continue to do what I am doing on this channel. Like I said, this has become a whole community of beginners, intermediate, experienced gardeners. At the end of the day, we are all learners regardless of what stage of gardening you're in. And I love the community that we have built on this channel and on other places. So I'm just here to tell you guys, thank you so much. This 10K milestone is not so much about me, it's really about us, because we really did this together. And every single live that I do that you guys come on and have conversations with me, ask your questions, give great gardening tips, I am so grateful for you. To the people who found me through my cantaloupe videos, because you guys know that was one of the things that went viral on my channel. A lot of you guys have loved how I grew my cantaloupes and had a ton of questions. I got a lot of love from that video. That was one of my first videos that really went viral. For some of you guys that found me through my pepper videos of me growing over 500 pepper plants. For some of you guys that knows me as the Pepper Queen, you found me through my Pepper Queen videos. For some of you guys that found me through my endless tomatoes video, because earlier in my gardening journey, that was the only thing that was producing at a mass rate. Or for some of you that simply saw me cooking some delicious Liberian or West African meals on live, I just want to say thank you. Thank you guys for all of the encouragement. Thank you guys for believing in me. And to be honest with you, you guys already know my story. I sometimes suffer from seasonal depression, and honestly, sometimes it's really hard to just wake up and get going and doing what you need to do to start your day. A lot of you guys really have encouraged me to keep going. And so I just want to tell y'all, thank you so much. And to be honest with you guys, we are just getting started, okay? This is 10K. It may not mean a lot to some of you guys, but it means a lot to me, because it took a lot of work to really get here and build this community that keeps growing. We are just getting started. I have more gardening workshops coming up for you guys. I know I have promised you a lot of things that I have not given to you yet, but I promise you it is actually coming, okay? I have virtual workshops that's coming, free virtual workshops that's coming very soon. So I hope you guys would join me on the live so that you can learn all about that. We are going to be celebrating our 10K subscribers on Sunday on our live, so I hope you will be joining me on there. I will be making a lot of announcements for a lot of fun things that's coming, okay? Trust me, you do not want to miss that. I have more beginner-friendly gardening tutorials coming for you guys, more garden to table cooking videos coming to you guys. Now, y'all know I started separate channels for just gardening content and just for cooking content, but I still will be doing it on here as well, because a lot of you guys, that's why you're here. But I created those channels dedicated to that, so please do me a favor and go subscribe to the channels, because I will just be posting specific gardening videos on those channels and specific cooking videos on that channel as well. So definitely check in the description of this video for those two channels that I started on this channel. It's just going to encapsulate everything that we do on here. I'm also working on expanding the educational side of this community. My goal is to help as many people as possible grow their own food. I want to help you guys start. I want to help you continue and flourish in this new season of your life. My goal is to help as many people as possible learn how to grow their own food, learn how to cook West African meals, cook nourishing meals, and to be honest, just to live more purposefully and intentionally. If you guys want me to start like any specific series in the future, let me know below in the comments. If you want me to start any specific content series that can assist you in any of the things that we just talked about, let me know in a comment. I do have future children workshops coming. Like I mentioned, I have virtual workshops coming for you guys, especially for some of you guys that did not come to my in-person workshop. And for some of you guys that did come to my in-person workshop or didn't come and want to see those videos, I am planning to drop those videos in my membership. So if you would like to see like my past garden workshop, my past in-person garden workshop, I will have all of that in my membership. And first and foremost, I want to make a special shout out to Ms. Vanessa from V Dazzle channel, and I want to give a special shout out to Honeycomb 28. You guys have been really supporting me throughout this journey. Thank you guys so much for joining my membership and supporting me in that way. And you guys, I do have a ton of videos coming for you guys. I just need to sit down and put it all together. But in my membership, a lot of the videos that you will get will be unedited, so you will be getting a lot of behind the scenes style videos, and that is coming soon. And I just wanted to shout you guys out because you guys were my first members. So I just say this to say, like, you guys really support me, and I am so grateful. All of you guys that like my video, share it, hype it. Yes, hype it up. Okay, thank you. So now remember, I said this celebration is not just about me, it is about you also, because you guys made this possible. So we're going to continue our celebration in the comments, as well as we're going to continue our celebration on Sunday at our live. So remember to come and check us out on Sunday. You don't want to miss that live. Whoever is going to be in that live, trust me, you're going to be so happy that you tuned in. Okay, so as we celebrate, down in the comments below, tell me, how long have you been gardening? Have you started gardening at all? And let me know below what type of video topic that you want me to make. Okay, it doesn't only have to be about gardening, it can also be about my YouTube journey and how I started. If that's something that you guys are also interested in, let me know in a comment, and I will make sure I put that on the list of videos to make for y'all. And of course, let me know below what video made you subscribe to my channel. How did you find my channel? How did you find me? Which video was it that led you to subscribing to my channel? And as you may already know, I read every comment, so I will be reading every single comment that you guys write below. Okay, so let me know how you found me, what made you stay, and how is your gardening journey going. Okay, I truly want to know, so make sure you write that down below in the comments. Okay, I need to know how you guys found me and how you got here. But alrighty, y'all, thank you guys for helping me reach 10,000 subscribers. We did it, and yes, cheers to 50K, because that is our next goal. We're gonna hit our next milestone is 50K, and that celebration is gonna be a little different. Okay, and trust me, you want to be there when we celebrating that. But yes, thank you. We're gonna bask in our milestone that we just hit, but we're also going to plan future goals for ourselves, because we are goal-driven people on this channel, right? Whether you've been here for years or you just found this channel recently, I just want to tell you thank you, because you have contributed to the success of this channel, and I'm so grateful. I cannot wait to see what the future holds. I cannot wait to see how far we grow. And one of the things that I want to remain consistently in here is our community and keeping it positive. Thank you guys so much for keeping it positive here, because we don't like the negativity, and I love the fact that you'll keep it so respectful. I love how you guys help each other out in the comments. You guys help me out too, because there's a lot of things that I still don't know, and I'm still learning, and I learned a great deal from you guys. So thank you guys so much. We did it. So yes, y'all, let's continue to grow together, let's continue to heal together, and let's continue to walk on our purpose together. As you guys already know, I am an affiliate of Vigo Gardening, and I do have a new discount code for you guys. We're no longer using the old one, because Vigo Gardening decided to upgrade your girl, because you guys really support me, because you guys really be going hard for me. They decided to up it up a little bit, and they changed the discount code to Miss Yancy Network 5, where you will get 5% off of anything in their store of your total order, or if you purchase anything that's $400 and above, you can get $30 off, and that discount code is in the description as well as the link to their store. So please take advantage of their sales. They actually are on sale right now, and I think the sale ends tomorrow, because they're celebrating their 6-year anniversary. They have like over 40% off, so go grab something. If you think you're going to need it next year, this is the time to get it. This is the best time to actually purchase gardening products. Don't sleep on those sales plus the discount. Okay, all of that information is below. I have a ton of information and a ton of resources resources for you in the description below. Check it out if you would like to see any of them, and do yourself a favor and enjoy it, okay? Alrighty, y'all, I just wanted to come on here quickly and tell you guys thank you so much for 10K. Celebrate with y'all before we do our official celebration on Sunday on our live, because that's where we're going to be having our good old time. We're gonna be having a good old time on our live, so make sure you join the live on Sunday, and I'll see y'all. Most likely the live is going to be at 8 p.m. Eastern time, and I will always let you guys know on our community post and our Facebook group what time we're going live, so stay tuned for that. But most likely it's going to be 8 o'clock. Stay tuned for that post, and I hope I get to see you there. And don't say I didn't tell you to be there, because if you missed out on the fun we're going to have, it's not my fault, it's yours, okay? But anywho, remember, you're exactly where you're meant to be in this moment. Oh my gosh, I'm exactly where I'm meant to be in this moment, and I'm so grateful. Happy gardening. I love you guys so much, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye, y'all. Love y'all. 10K. I cannot believe that we just saw a fox. I can't wait to rewatch this and see if it was captured in the video, because I cannot believe a whole fox was in my garden and did not care. And I'm just grateful for my life, because I don't know if fox likes to box. You know what I'm saying? I know they're pretty quick. Y'all see what I'm dealing with here in the backyard? Yo, that's a fox. There was a fox. I am recording this video, and I just saw a fox come from my garden. This is crazy. And they like to be in my garden trying to eat my corn. So now I have to come and check here and make sure that it did not eat my corn. Okay, my corn looks fine. Thank you, Jesus. But one of the things that I did to help with the fox trying to eat my corn was grating some soap, like Irish Spring soap. I grated it and I placed it all around. Like, it's starting to melt now, but I placed it all around this garden bed, and I've noticed that I haven't seen any animals tracking inside of the bed. But prior to that, they ate a lot of my corn, and I knew it was the fox because I literally just saw the fox running that way. I'm really hoping the camera captured it, but oh my gosh, this is so crazy. You see how unpredictable gardening is. I'm literally trying to tell you guys thank you for subscribing to my channel and for the 10K celebration, and we saw a fox. How amazing was that? That was an actual fox, y'all. So yes, I do have the animal kingdom in my backyard, including mosquitoes. Okay, now back to the regular scheduled program. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe this just happened. That's crazy.
Remember, y'all, if you're looking for organic heirloom seeds, go ahead in the description of this video and grab your pack of seeds in my Etsy store and get your garden popping. Bye, y'all. Happy gardening.